Mamukase matanya nadzo. Nomroka chikafu dendo basa. Mangwanani. Nomroka chikafu dendo basa. Nzomaitanya kana ndisikufila muje. Pumwe ngopera simba majoints angu. Tengi ncharwara chete. Ukunzweza nduta. Kodisi ugeza maoko.
Babatani, zvesere. Simukono geza maoko mudishi panze uko.
Iwe, unza mbiro geza maoko mani iwe. Kochi.
Oh, chigeza.
Upfugame.
Babatani, hausuwa kushusha.
Iva mukadzani unu pfugama apa.
Hausuda geza maoko babatani.
Plazudo ndigeze maoko mupoto. Hapana madishere pamba pana. Matanya you are being disrespectful for
Babatani, anditi kwese kugeza maoko erugezera mupoto kana kugezera mudishi zvakasiyana iko. Geza maoko kana.
Sama disha wamatengera don't gezisa maoko mupoto.
Hausuda.
Ndine mugoti here wabikiswa sadza ndinozonzi ndinogezera mupoto. Ichika chikafu chako chikore nganguruwe kana ndo kora. What's the emergency? Kuzwa ndakanona kwakubaza chaizvo.
Sekuona kwese basa rako ndidarika.
No, it's not that. I always make time for you. But Max and everyone is just going to work.
Nambashanda basa kubika naye. Hausatwandutsa kewe.
I'll show you. Anyways, are you okay? What's the emergency?
Hapana emergency. I don't go not to Mukase. And I wanted to wish you a good day in person. And I actually miss you.
What the hell is wrong with you, woman?
What? Nothing is wrong with me. I even miss you when you're next to me. Can I get a hug? Can it be like this forever?
This is very nice, but I really have to go to work. Can you often find out about it? Being successful is not about how much money you make or you have. It's about the difference you make in people's lives. Sakayo basarako, you make people smile. You make them happy. That makes you a hero, you know that? Considering you're a beautiful hero because you have beautiful eyes, you have beautiful ears, a beautiful mouth. You know, everything about you is just beautiful. Perfect. So go back to work. Go to work and make a difference. That's what you do best. That's what you're good at. Go and make a change in someone's life. Oh, come on. Let us speak here so you can at least get a smile. That's bad. I like your smile. I really do like your smile.
Thank you.
But in the you are doing the best. I will see you later. Good day. No, I'll walk.
Are you sure?
Yeah. And smile for me. Next time, and this will get mother cedar. You got this a boot.
This guy.
that's what happened, and that's what's been happening in my life. You didn't know.
Normal? No. But genetic kakawanda. In our field we call it PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder. So in some cases like yours, itika when you experience an act of aggression from someone you love, someone you trust. So in your case, I think kuti pamawachadi kuona varume padhuze newe anti kana kubatwa ndizvo.
This was all, and I feel so bad in the bankroom because he's that kind of a man who's always tried his best to help me out. But I've been shutting him out and pushing him away of late. Even how he seems kind of cool with it, but I feel so bad.
Your bankroom understands you, Lily, and that makes him a really smart man.
So Beverly, what can I do to make it stop? Because I want it to come to an end.
I want you to face your fears. Lily, you can't keep running away. You know, you must always be in control of your feelings. Don't let your feelings control you. So the first step you're going to take is that I want you to go home, have a little chat with your uncle, and how you feel. And after that, it also now tell you which second step can you take.
But I'm scared.
No, don't be scared. Look, I'm here. My Tanya waripo, Bankuru waripo, and we'll do anything to make sure that you're okay. Besides, you're a really strong girl, you know. But you effect you're here and you're willing to make it change. It shows that you're a really strong girl, so we'll help you.
Perfect. You really seem like a nice person. And I like you to be my friend, like my friend.
Sure. I like you too, Lily. You're a really strong girl. You impress me, you know. Come give me a hug. You'll be fine.
No, see, go please out of me. Ask me to go guys up. And it's okay now. Perform now. You tell me not to do. Pagara kunopisa mazuva ese mwezi rokwaipisa marunzi rokwaipisa. It's okay. Maitanya unitori nechirwere chinotokunetsa chemusoro nditokuregera results. Masikora sei bamukuru?
What's that?
Did you boring?
Sure. How are you feeling?
I'm okay.
Yeah, you look okay. I was joining up counseling one of these days. Some would develop mental problems at your way.
Bankuru.
Yes.
I'm really sorry for the way I've been treating you lately. I just want to apologize for my behavior. I've been acting up a lot. Thank you. I will check the counselor. Check about the
Your life always comes first. I'm not only no father to say that you're getting better and better each day. I mean, just worry about your well-being, okay? So as I says, we got you covered. And did you marry in your foot?
Baba time. Didn't you kukubadara? Kwenye kusada mali?
Alright. Let's just say times 1,000.
Oh, it's a good
Nirangu ndiega. Let's just say, wakati wa chimbazi. Hizo wangwana.
Matoni mwana kakuronge nini?
My name. Nditoni vana ombe kwandiri je. Zoti mimi je. I hope my big am gajo.
But I'm not going. Yeah, no.
Yo Vanessa. Pinda muno now. Vanessa. I don't know. Chizviri kuitika newewe?
Anede.
Ndinobva kubasa uko ndine nzara. Ndisi kusvika panapa hamuna kubika. The same thing futi zvamakaita nezuro. Ndakasvika hamuna kubika. Chechi2, panzapo you ignored me. Kungosinondoona like I'm a ghost. Haukwanisi kuti baba maswera sei?
Baba tani. Chikafu chiri bomba muno. Bikai mudye.
Sefoni kana taura newe man. Sasa munontaura kuti pamba panapa hamubika kana musina nzara.
Baba tani. Ndina Lily. You told me to disquare na Lily, and I'm doing exactly that. And I thought you'd understand it.
I understand. You don't get such but in as much as Lily is your sister, I'm your husband. Matanyanga tinopinda makawanda tiri tese one. Tungobuda tiri tese. But this time I feel like wakundikangano. Hauchaziva kuti ndiri murume wako. Andisi kuda attention yako yese. But andosaka takatsvaga cancela. Kuti aite handle my problems ari kuface na Lily. And you can take care of me as well.
Baba tani. Saka uri kutaura kuti I should choose between you and Lily. Yeah? Dai hanzvadzi yako iri musituation iyi. Zvingada zvizvo zvamutaura.
I'm not asking you to choose. But ndingokutaura kuti panopinda dambudziko, the problem goes. And I hope in the new friend ndinenge ndisina kuenda. Because you are treating me like crap. You are pushing me away. And I don't even know what I did to deserve this.
Baba tani. Tichataura kana lilaita mushi. For now, kana muchida kugeza. Mutonochera mvura chibhorani. Muri munzira dzoka mobva mavura muchitotengerawo chinhu. Moya modira drink modya. Nini ndakubuda pana Lily. Ndipewo phone yangu.
Saka unontaura kuti iwo naLily hamukwanisi kuwana 30 minutes. Pazuva rese 30 minutes chete dzekuti munongomira pasitobva monibikira. Muchitaura zvenyu nyaya dzenyu. Handina basa nazvo nini as long as mabika.
Baba tani ndipewo phone yangu. Ndakwenda na Lily.
They ask. You tell them I tried. Kwara ndokuzive. Kengotsoro. Zori yanzari kana kuti